Uh,
Shell.
Sorry, hello, congrats again. And then question ko first is, I know you've enrolled last November lang, pero when did you actually start it? When did you actually start with your project? Number one. And then number two, after you implemented the solution, ilang months yung in-observe mo to make sure na what you've implemented is actually the right solution to that project or to that project wise?
Mm. Actually, ito nga, well, I forgot to mention during my talk earlier. So, it's really important na during training, simulan nyo na talaga. Kasi, siguro, ang naging madali for me, during training, yung sinusundan ko lang yung lessons nila, Chrissy. Like, per step, gagawin ko na yun. Kasi, kumbaga, meron na akong, nung bago pa lang mag-enroll, kinausap ko na syempre yung family member ko na gusto ko magkaroon ng project doon kasi nga walang available doon sa kasi bago ko nag-enroll, inalam ko na si Six Sigma PH required talaga ng actual project. So, nagkaroon ako ng planning and preparation before enrolling. Tapos, sinusundan ko yung curriculum nila, Chrissy. Like, di ba may, every session may mga papagawa sa inyo, di ba? Ina-apply ko doon. And so, I have November, December, January. So, yun. Tapos yung mga 4 months siguro, yung start ng improvement. 3 to 4 months. Pero yun nga, kailangan isabay na dun sa training.